Houston, we have a problem.
What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Matt Get the Hands back to you with another video. And as you can tell, my man has been growing an afro for about a year now. And he decided to come in and just say, yo, Dark Caesar, let's just take it all off, line it up. Right here, these are my custom made Rose Gold Babyliss FX clippers. Cordless, that is. My boy Kendrick, he's a fool, man. He's like, stop, don't cut it off. Anyways, I got these custom made by a client in the shop. I will leave a link in the description to his Instagram to check out all his work. He does custom work on clippers and trimmers. He does it on cars, honestly, but one of the barbers in the shop, his barber in the shop was like, look, man, I'm gonna give you a pair of clippers. You say you could, customize anything that's metal or plastic or anything you put your hands on, and next thing you know, he's just started getting a whole bunch of orders. So that's what's up, man. Shout out to my boy Danny Colosso Paintings for customizing these clippers. Got that matte black, look like a carbon fiber as well, the black and silver, of course. Spurs, your boys from San Antonio. I started off freehanding, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put these clippers to the test and put a number 2 guard on there and just started going through it. And man, it wasn't snagging, it wasn't pulling, it wasn't making any loud noises.
Houston, we have a problem.
These aren't the gold ones, these are the rose gold ones, but he put that black blade on there as well, the graphite blade, I believe. And man, these things cut nice, they fade nice, so you'll be seeing a lot more videos with me using these clippers. I do have my seniors as well, my cordless seniors that I've been using as well. But sometimes it kind of gets boring and you want to switch things up, just different kind of systems and methods and techniques, because these clippers cut different to me, in my opinion, to the seniors. I love them because they use the Wall premium guards. Now I have heard from Shannon that he uses the double magnetic guards and they work good on them as well. So right here, this is just some tonic, some hair tonic. Go ahead and clean up my man's scalp, brush that in, and we're gonna go ahead and start the lineup. This is a pretty quick, mega transformation. You cut off the afro to a Dark Caesar, 2 all the way around, and we're gonna go ahead and round the back. And your boy has finally got got these gifted hands on the Babyliss Cordless FX skeleton trimmers. These things are so beautiful. They hit like Mike Tyson in the first round, 30 seconds in. You know it's a knockout. My God, look at these things hit, man. Woo! These right now, by far, are the best trimmers on the market. Hands down. Hands down, the best trimmer on the market. Shout out to Babyliss for coming out with such a freaking monster of a trimmer. It's skeleton, it's all gold. Man, and then of course, Tomb 45, we have the power clip for these trimmers and also the clippers that I have in this video, and also the cordless seniors as well. If you have not yet got your hands on the Tomb 45 mat, the wireless charging mat, make sure y'all check that out. All the links in the description for our products in tomb45.com will be in the description, and the link for my Stay Gifted transparent clipper list for the Wall cordless seniors and the Wall 1919s will be in the description as well to my website. But man, I swear, once I put this lineup on this kid, man, the haircut came together. Look at that. Whoo! That thing is slicing and dicing. I swear, look, no irritation, no redness. I'm using a lot of corner work, and I swear, these things are just some hitters, man. I'm barely applying any type of pressure. If y'all have these trimmers, make sure you comment below and let these people know that are watching these videos, if you have these trimmers, to go get you some. They are hard to get there. I actually got lucky. Cosmoprof randomly has them, so if your area, wherever you live, has a Cosmoprof, go to that store, see if they have them. They're only 150 bucks, nothing crazy, and get your hands on a pair of these trimmers, man. Unless you're gonna have to go to the shows or wait till Babyliss comes up with more trimmers to sell. But I got lucky with these, because you had to go to like the BarberCon or Orlando Premiere or CT Barber Expo. By the time you get to the line, man, it's all sold out. So, guys, this is pretty much the end product, the final product of this haircut tutorial. I can't really explain to you like how to do this type of haircut just because it's a 2 all the way around with a nice lineup. I just thought it was a dope transformation for my client right here, man, and I saw the opportunity to create good content for y'all. So with that being said, man, knocked off my man's afro, took a 2 all the way around with a nice crispy edge up with my new clippers and trimmers. Guys, hope you subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. I love y'all. Team Gifted. Stay gifted.